Okay, my crafty friends and my not so crafty friends. I still have to take that lid down off the wall because I stacked these shelves so you couldn't see them on the wall anyway. So I ended up putting this unit here and I stacked them to give me more room. You guys seen my room before. I had that new machine sitting out and there was no room for nothing. Hardly even to move around my room. So I have markers up there that I am going to send my granddaughter for her artwork. And I have all my card making supplies and stuff in here. And then over here, my big unit, I also have my paper and card making supplies and sticker paper and stuff like that. Up on top, I put these 4 cubes, and yes, they hang over a little bit, but I really don't mind that. It's my room. I'm the only one that's ever in here, so I really don't care that they stick over a little bit. So I put stuff way up high that I don't use very often because I'm short. So I put my embroidery machine over there because I do not need the foot pedal for that. So it doesn't matter but that those cabinets are there. Some craft making supplies over there. So I use that corner for storage. I put my paper cutter and stuff between there with my rulers. And then over here I got my sewing machine and my serger. Let me go back over here real quick, because I do need the foot pedals for those. So I have those set up down there. Also, back here in the corner I have some craft supplies too, but I have my internet and my bars that I got to figure out what the hell to do with those. Here I got this little unit from IKEA, and it holds my printer. Not sure what I'm putting there yet. It's got my label maker down there and my small Cricut. I may put my my small Cricut, which I can't, for some reason I can't remember the name of it now. There. I moved this desk over here with my sewing machine on it. I have a bunch of stuff over here. I still have to figure out where I'm going to put it. I have my tools and stuff there with my fabric underneath. I have, this is just vinyl. It's full of vinyl. And I'm not using vinyl right now, so I'm just going to put that in the closet somewhere. I have my things here I want to put back up on the wall. I have my new shelves here I'm going to put up. So that's my that's my ironing table and craft table. I'm going to clean it all off so that I can remove the ironing board too. When I'm not sewing, I can use it for other things. And of course, those stayed where they were because I'm not fucking moving those. And then over here, I've got a little bit of fabric on top, my camera, and some bins I got from IKEA. They have my jelly rolls and stuff in. Paper. Iron on vinyl and stuff. And then, paper. And so I'm pretty much done with my room. Okay, this is how I did it. And this is why I did it this way. My desk is here, like normal. I like it in the middle of the room. However, it is where I can push it up that way if I'm doing card making, and get it so that I have plenty of room to move around my property. Plenty of room to move around my room. I can push it up to that table. And when I am when I'm sewing, I am going to push it this way. My chair will be over there. And then I can use this for cutting my fabrics, ironing my fabrics, and sewing on my machines. So I'm glad that I bought this particular one because it is on wheels and I can move it so easy. So that is my room and how I did it. I am so happy not to have that desk sitting here now where I couldn't get to nothing. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Just got to figure out what to do with all this. I did have to put some more stuff in my closet. I'm not even going to show you that. Yeah. I got to put these back up on the wall also, over by my sewing area. So I have the 4 shelves and that to go back up on the wall over there. All right, you guys. That's it. That's how my room turned out. Let me get it from the doorway. So, I like it. I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.